Hello, dividend executives. Welcome back. The stock market is open. We are at the end of the week, so it is time to make some options trades. It's been a pretty good week, so it's time to collect a little bit of income. It is Thursday today, but the market is closed on Friday for Good Friday, so we have to get all of our trades in today because they are expiring here in a little bit. So let's take a look at it. Let's make some trades. Let's create a little bit of income, and let's look at some of the moves we made. You can see right now the buying power is sitting at 780. I ended up making a $200 deposit to the account this week, which you will see in the contributions. We're up to 2270. We're making some good progress there. And I also made a play a little bit earlier on Tesla. Tesla was close. It's now fallen down, but it was close to that 180 area. And so I wanted to get out of it. So if we come down, let me actually just go to Tesla and I can show you the move I made there. I made it a little bit earlier, and I did do a safe move for less premium this week just because we have deliveries coming up. Last week, we rolled the call for 158 bucks. I bought it to close this morning for $10 to get out of the contract. So I paid back 20, so we booked 138 on the week for the trade. And then I sold some 197.5s for 114, so 57 each there. We still brought in 114, not a lot of premium, but you can see I extended the strike, right? I went from 180 to 197. I feel like Tesla is starting to get a little bit of ground here. We do have deliveries coming up on April 2nd, and a lot of people are forecasting bad deliveries. I don't really know. It's going to depend. They had some plant shutdowns. So if they come out with good deliveries, the stock's going to skyrocket. If they don't, I don't know how much is already priced in, but I wanted to give myself a little bit of leeway because I am selling below my average cost. I wanted to give myself a little bit of leeway, and we cut it really close this week with the 180 calls. So 114 bucks brought in there. So that one was rolled. Another one that is crazy to see, Amazon is sitting at 180.57. We are gonna roll. Oh, it's gonna make me buy it back. Okay. We rolled this like a month. Date sold on 3/1 a month ago. So we're gonna buy this back. This is awesome. We are literally right there. So we're gonna buy this back. Let's see if we can get it back for the 0.55, and then we'll sell a new call. As long as it's above $54, which is what we paid, then we should be good to go, right? So we'll come down here to Amazon. We're finally out, and we're going to go April 5th, sell a call. And the best part about this is we are out of the money. I'm going to do the 185. That covers the cost we just paid to close of the 54. And it gives us a little bit of extra. So only $6 of extra premium if we were to roll it. Because we're in the last half hour of the day, Robinhood just does not let you roll, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, so we sold that. We got 60 bucks. So we paid the 54. We got 6 extra bucks there, but we raised our price from 180 to 185. So we rolled up and out if we were to do that one single transaction. Another one we're going to get done here. We have Rivian calls here. We are going to close this out. So we're going to come in here and we're going to buy to close. We're going to go to 3. We're going to close it out and we're going to book the profit on Rivian. And then we're going to sell another call on it, right? So if we go to Rivian, and we look at our shares here, we are sitting down. We're down 14%. The share cost is $12.77. We're going to, now we're going to buy. We're going to come in here. We're going to trade options. We're going to do April 5th. We're going to sell the call. If I went to the 13, we're going to go 2 weeks out. We're going to do 12 bucks. We're going to do 3 of those. And we are going to get $36 worth of premium. This one's just a longer play. Just keep collecting that income. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to buy $36 worth of shares. So I'm going to buy 3.28 shares. So I'm going to take the premium I just earned and I'm going to lower my average cost just straight with that premium, not out of my pocket, just straight out of that. Now we're down to $12.75. So that's cool to see. So we have the Rivian calls out there. We have the Tesla calls out there. We have the Amazon calls out there. Thank the Lord, we are finally out of the money. It's taken us literally 3 full months to get out of the money. Another one that we absolutely nailed this week was Amara's. We are going to roll. Will it let us roll it? I'm going to actually try. We're going to roll this position, and I think I'm going to go for the 24 fives. $150. Holy crap. Actually, let me come in here and edit. I just want to try and guarantee that I get a roll just because we're in the last half of the day here. See if I can get a roll. Most of the time, Robinhood, I don't know what it is, but when you're in the last 30 minutes of the day, it wants you to just do everything single leg. So we'll see if we get a roll there. We should. We're right at the bottom of the bid ask at the 74 instead of the 77. So if we can't get it, then we will. Another one we have is Clean Spark here. We're going to go ahead and roll this. It's down 6% for the day. So let's see if we can get a roll in here. It looks like that executed. So that's cool. We were at the 16.5. We're going to go 2 weeks out on this. And I'm going to come down here probably to the 16.5 again. Actually, I'm going to do the 17. So I'm going to do 2 for the 17. That's going to pay us 98 bucks. Let's see if we can get a fill. Is it a medium likelihood, high likelihood here at the 45? What about the 46? Let me just see if I can get a medium fill there. 40 to 55. So we're right. I mean, we're right in the middle of the bid ask. That should be a good strike. If not, though, not too worried. I can just let it expire and sell it on Monday. But at the end of the day, this is exactly what we're doing, right? So now we're up to $923 worth of buying power. And yeah, see, this just, I don't know why. Yeah, it just canceled. It's a weird glitch with Robinhood. I don't know what it is, but when you get to the last 30 minutes of the trading day, it does not allow you to close them out. The thing about CleanSpark is it says 0.01, but if I come in here and I go to buy to close it and I do 2 contracts like this, and let's say I put 0.01, it says I have to go up to 0.05. So I'm not going to pay $10 to get out of that, especially when we were only paid, what, $40 for this. So I'm not going to pay $10 back when I know it's going to expire worthless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this expire worthless because I cannot roll it. And I'll probably just sell puts again on Monday. We were able to roll the call from Mara, so we got a lot of income there. $149 collected there. Amazon, again, that was $6. Tesla, we rolled that one for $114. So really a really good day for premium. We have $900 in the account for buying power now. These two are going to expire worthless tonight, and then that'll free up another, $3,200, $3,300 worth of collateral. So we'll have $4,000 swinging on Monday that we will sell some puts on. And things are looking really good. One thing we have to do, as always, is we got to come in here. We got to buy a little bit of QQQ. Come in here. We're going to do our $100. Got to do that each and every single week. Make sure that we are adding to the Forever Fund, and I want to keep continuing to build that position. Looks like we have a dividend coming up here. We're up to 6 shares, $2,700. Average cost of $428, and we are up 3.74% on the QQQ. So that's where we're sitting at here. Some of these Bitcoin stocks are doing really well. CleanSpark up 112%, Riot's down, and Mara's up 9%. So that's good to see as well. So we're just going to keep willing and dealing with these minor stocks and keep collecting that premium. But all in all, a really good week. Tesla had a nice rebound. We're down still 30% on this, but for the day or for the week, I think, what are we up? Yeah, we're still down 1.4%, but for the month, it looks like we're coming back a little bit. We got down there into the 160s. Now we're up to the 175. So hopefully we can keep rebounding there, but we keep collecting income in the meantime, and we keep pushing forward. So for the month, we're still down because of Tesla, but for the week, we had a nice week, up $1,400, and we collected some good income, and we controlled the things that we can control. So that's everything I got for this week. Happy investing, happy weekend, and I'll catch y'all later.